Hello, in this video I will show you how to make money on Pinterest with affiliate links. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is, you have to just simply open a browser and then you will be needing few things. The first and the most important thing is Canva, and it can be a free account because we are not going to use any paid stuff. But if you do have a paid account in Canva, it would be very nice. Now, the reason that we are choosing Pinterest is there are a lot of people that comes on Pinterest, approximately 1.2 billion every month. And among all those people who are actually coming on Pinterest, they are usually looking for some things that can make their life more better. Like for instance, they are looking for good food and good food recipes. Now, it is just a single niche that I have chosen. There could be a number of niches like weight loss, fitness, finance, books, movies, you name it. Now, for this video, I'm going to go with a food niche because it is one of the best one. You can make a lot of money using food niches. Now, what you will do is you have to create a free account on your Pinterest account, and then you have to find few competitors in your niche. So again, you have to choose a niche that you have an interest in, then find competitors in that niche, and then just simply see what type of content they post. Like for example, this particular page right over here. Now, this is completely focused around food and recipes, as you can see right over here. And so now, once you have your competitors, just simply see what type of post works the best in their channel, and then just simply try to recreate them. Now, recreating them is extremely easy. All you have to do is you have to go to Canva and search for Pinterest pin. And then over here, you will have a lot of categories that you can see. So just simply choose a template over here, which is similar to your niche. Like in my case, it's a food niche. So I'm going to choose template something like this. Like for example, if you've chosen a niche in traveling, you will be picking templates like these, as you can see right over here, or this one right over here. And let's say, for example, if you're choosing a sub niche like home decor or something like that, you will be choosing things like this, as you can see right over here. Now, in my case, I'm going to choose the food niche and this particular template over here. Now, once you have got your template, just simply click on it, and then just simply click on customize this template. Now you will have a pre-made template right over here. So what you have to do is you have to just simply remove the text and add some text of your own. It's that simple. You can also change the background image over here. So choose the background image and hit delete. Now choose your own background image over here. Just by going to the elements, then just simply search what you want. Then you will have a lot of images, as you can see. So I want a good looking image like this one over here. Now resize it. Now once you have your image, just simply change the text over here or add some elements to make the text more pop out or bold. So you can just simply put a simple block over here right behind your text, just like this, to make it look more bold, just like that. Now you can do it much better. I'm just simply showing you for an example. So that's how basically you can create a pin. Now you can click on add pages over here and add multiple pages. And to duplicate this scene over here, you can just simply click on this duplicate page and that will duplicate the page. Or you can just simply copy this and paste it right over here. Both of the ways will work for you. Now create all the pages, add the step-by-step recipe if you're choosing food niche. And then in the share option, click on download. Then click on PNG and download all the pages by choosing all pages right over here. Then click on download and then you will have your pin. Now, once you have your pin ready, go to the Pinterest, click on this three lines. Then just simply go to the create section. Now, in your case, the create section will look at something different. So again, just simply click on create pin. Now just simply drag and drop your pin right over here, all of them one by one. Then just simply add your title, then description, and the main thing is going to be the affiliate link. Now, how you will get the affiliate links? It's a very easy process. You can get the affiliate links from a lot of places. And one of the best affiliate marketplace out there is ClickBank. Now, over here in the affiliate marketplace section, you can come to the cooking and food section. Now again, if you're choosing the food niche, this is what you have to do. If you have any other niche, you can also go there as well, like home and gardening, self-help, spirituality, or business. You will have all the niches over here. Now, once you're on Affiliate Marketplace, just simply click on the rank option over here and choose gravity high to low. That will show the best offers that are currently going on this particular marketplace, and it's bringing good amount of sales. Now, as you can see, these are top offers, and you will find the commissions right over here. So this is how much commission you will get for one person who is going to buy something from this particular link. As you can see right over here, these are all the commissions. Now, to get the link, all you have to do is click on promote, then enter your nickname, then click on create hop link. And then copy this link over here. You can preview the landing page that the customers or the viewers are going to see once they're going to click on the link. So this is the landing page. At the very bottom, when they will try to buy something from this landing page, you will be getting half of the sale or whatever the percentage of the sale is. Now moving on, once you have your link, paste it right over here, and then just simply click on publish. Now, once you're all done with this part, you have to be consistent and post at least 4 to 5 pins daily, and approximately in 3 months you should start seeing results. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.